Hi, I'm Jairo from Contabo, and today I'll show you how to monitor your server's performance in real time using Prometheus and Grafana. Whether you're tracking CPU usage, memory, or disk I/O, this combo gives you full visibility, reliable Prometheus metrics, and powerful Grafana dashboards for performance monitoring. Now, first things first, what are those tools? Prometheus is a performance monitoring system that collects and stores time series data, perfect for tracking server performance like CPU, memory, disk, and more. Grafana connects to Prometheus and turns that raw data into beautiful real-time Grafana dashboards so you can see exactly what's happening on your server at a glance. So how does this work? First, install Prometheus and Node Exporter on your machine. Node Exporter collects Prometheus metrics like CPU, RAM, and network usage with these commands. Next, configure Prometheus to scrape metrics from Node Exporter with these commands shown on the screen. Then restart Prometheus so the changes take effect. Now, install Grafana. Then add Prometheus as a date source so you can start visualizing your Prometheus metrics inside Grafana. Grafana has hundreds of dashboards ready to go. For system-level performance monitoring, try the one called Node Exporter. Just search for the dashboard ID 1860. Want to go a step further? Grafana also lets you set up alerting. You can create an alerting setup to get notified when CPU usage spikes or memory runs low, great for staying ahead of issues. And that is it. You now have a real-time server monitoring with full visibility into CPU load, memory, disk, and more. With Prometheus metrics, Grafana dashboards, and even alerting setup, you're in full control. If you found this helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments what you are monitoring. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy hosting with Contabo.